Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete connected apps and websites from Facebook PC. We start by opening our Facebook profile. After that, click on the account icon. Then we enter Settings and Privacy and then Settings. Next, click on the Apps and Websites category. Here we will see the applications and websites linked to Facebook. We can remove the ones we want using the Remove option and confirming the action. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.